Welcome. I'm Laurence Fishburne. The scales of justice. We all want them to tip in favor of the people who deserve it most. Legal professionals work tirelessly every day to protect the rights of David, not Goliath, as we're about to see.
The Great Recession of 2008 was a time of reflection and change for almost all Americans. Every decision maker in every industry had to shift for the new norm. Some of it was expected given the financial climate, but there were changes many didn't see coming. This is particularly true for those who are entering the legal profession during this tumultuous time.
During the recession, what happened was that it hit lawyers a little later. But when it hit law firms in a very big way. We had a number of lawyers and a number of law firms that just had to find different things to do, were out of work, and it really transformed how people began to think about the legal profession. If I were to boil it down, it comes back to efficiencies within legal practice. We hadn't always been thinking about what was the most efficient way to deliver services, or what was the fastest or most economical way to provide the service that we have. And those are the kinds of things that people began to learn after the recession.
It was during this time that some law schools seized the opportunity to examine their practices and create a new way to attract, select, retain, and help aspiring lawyers prepare for and find their place within the profession. Law schools began to change, using data to make decisions and looking for ways to more deeply engage students in practical experiences of the legal profession.
Most of the things that we got out of our lessons from the recession period have to do with a few different things that we weren't doing as well in law schools. One, we needed to provide more practical training. We needed to have more hands-on experiential opportunities for our students. Two, we needed to think about what we were arming our students with when they went out into the practice. And so some of those things include, what are their communication skills? What are their abilities to solve human problems interfacing with human beings? We want to make sure that they have the kinds of skills that a modern day legal professional needs in order to succeed.
I hope that I'm able to pursue and secure a job in child advocacy, because during law school, I was able to work at a child advocacy nonprofit where I had direct experience working with clients. I was in the courtroom, I was learning from attorneys. And through that experience, I think I was able to exhibit my passion and dedication for this area. And I think that'll put me in a really good position to secure a job post-grad. Regardless of whatever opportunity a law student wants to pursue after law school, I would really encourage them to do experiential learning during law school. I think it's an invaluable experience to understand the power that your law degree can have. I think that once you sit across from a person, a client, and you help them with something, maybe the worst day of their life, you're gonna wanna find a way to continue doing that type of work, and I hope you find a way to fit it in later.
We hope this program has served as an inspiration to you. Be sure to join us next time as we continue to profile